right, let's get right into it because what Google just unleashed with its Gemini AI, it's about to completely change how you and I use technology. I mean, we are officially entering the age of the AI agent. So let me ask you something. When you use AI, are you just, asking it questions, maybe telling it to write an email or summarize a web page? Look, if you are, you're not alone. But that's all about to change. Because using AI like that as a simple question and answer machine barely scratches the surface. The truth is, you're leaving a whopping 90% of its real power completely unused. For the last couple of years, we've all been stuck in what I call the AI chatbot trap. We've been using that 10%. We treat these incredibly powerful models like a slightly fancier Google search. We ask, it answers, it tells us how to do something. But Google? They just rolled out the escape hatch. Inside their new Gemini AI, they've unlocked something called agent mode. And trust me, this is the key to getting out of that trap for good. So, what is it really? Well, agent mode gives the AI the power to use something called reasoning chains. This means it can take a big, complex goal you give it, break it down into smaller, logical steps, and then actually, do them, one by one, across all your different apps. And this right here, this simple difference, is everything. A chatbot tells you how to organize your emails. An agent organizes your emails for you. It's the difference between an advisor and an actual employee. This shift is, it's massive. We're going from a tool that you talk to a teammate that you delegate to. It's a completely different way of thinking about this technology.
And one of the sources for this explainer just put it perfectly. They said, the AI successfully transitions from a conversational assistant to a functional sidekick. See? It's not just talking anymore, it is doing.
So the big question is, what does this actually look like in real life? Okay, let's walk through some incredibly powerful things you can start automating right now. First up, the dream for so many of us, hitting inbox zero. We all know that feeling of a completely swamped inbox. Well, with agent mode, you can just hand the whole problem over. And just look at this prompt. It's not one simple command, it's a whole strategy. You're telling it to analyze, summarize, archive, and draft replies, all in one go. You're giving it a mission, not a question.
And this is where the magic happens. The agent doesn't just tell you what to do. It literally goes in, archives the junk, writes up summaries of the important stuff, and gets your replies drafted and ready for you to hit send. It's doing the actual work.
All right, next up, let's tackle another huge time suck, planning a trip. You know the drill. Hours spent jumping between a dozen different websites. Well, not anymore. With just one detailed prompt like this, you're not just asking for ideas. You're setting budgets, neighborhoods, even specific amenities, like a gym. Gemini's agent can then go out, search booking sites, compare live prices, reserve a room, and then drop the whole itinerary right into your calendar. That's hours of your life you just got back. Now, this next one is an absolute game changer for anyone who works on a team. Instead of being the person stuck taking notes, you can finally just focus on the meeting. This is just incredible. It bridges the gap between a conversation and your project management tools. Think about that. It's listening, understanding who said what, figuring out the action items, and then assigning those tasks to the right people in your shared workspace. You don't have to lift a finger. What about saving some cash? Gemini has this enormous memory, a 1 million token context window they call it, which basically means it can analyze huge documents like, say, months of your bank statements to see where your money is really going. Now, think about this for a second. It's one thing for an app to tell you about old subscriptions, but this agent takes the next crucial step. It drafts the cancellation emails for you. It just removes all the annoying friction that stops you from saving money. And honestly, the list just goes on. You can have it code simple automations for your smart home. You can have it act as a social media manager that schedules posts for you, or even be a personal shopper that researches the best product and adds it to your cart. So, okay, this is obviously way more than just a cool new feature. Let's zoom out for a minute and really understand why this is such a fundamental shift for all of us. The secret sauce here is what you could call Google's home field advantage. See, because Gemini is built right into your Google workspace, your Gmail, your calendar, your Drive, your Meet, it has a massive leg up on everyone else. It can just seamlessly move between all the tools you already use every single day. And that is the bottom line. This isn't some far-off potential. Because of that deep integration, this is an AI that can
actually start automating the tedious, annoying parts of your real life right now, today.
So that brings us to the final, and really the most important question. You now have a functional sidekick, a digital employee, just waiting for instructions. The only question left is, what are you going to delegate first?